The story about a 10-year-old adorable, cute, beautiful fairy princess in a magical fantasy land. Imagine a magical fantasy land that seems to have sprung straight out of a fairy tale book. The rolling hills are covered in a blanket of lush green grass, dotted with colorful wildflowers that sway gently in the breeze. Majestic mountains loom in the distance, their snow-capped peaks glittering in the sunlight. As you walk through this idyllic landscape, you come across a clearing, and in the center stands a magnificent castle made entirely of crystal. The castle is home to an adorable, cute, and beautiful fairy princess, who flits about with the grace of a ballerina. The fairy princess is only 10 years old, but she exudes an air of regal grace and wisdom beyond her years. Her wings shimmer in the light, and she wears a flowing gown made of shimmering silk that changes colors with every movement she makes. She is surrounded by a retinue of loyal attendants, all of whom are as beautiful and graceful as she is. As you approach the princess, you notice that the air around her seems to sparkle with magic. The landscape transforms around her, and you see creatures that you could only dream of, unicorns grazing in a nearby field, giant butterflies flitting about, and talking animals frolicking around her. The fairy princess greets you with a warm smile, and as she speaks, her voice is like a melody that lifts your spirits. She invites you to explore her magical kingdom and promises to guide you on an adventure that you will never forget. As you set off together, you know that you are in for an unforgettable journey that will take you to places beyond your wildest imagination.